Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we're going to talk about a little bit of what we're planning to do with the Firstgen. For some weird reason, I can never keep my garage clean at all. Like, it's always a mess in here. I have all my Milwaukee stuff, and it's not bad. It's just that I never tend to pick up after myself afterwards. But I'll show you guys a real quick sneak peek on what we're talking about. It has to do with this turbo right here. The spacers not so much, but yes, these are gonna go on the Firstgen as well. And I got a couple of stuff in a box as well, stuff in there. But we'll talk about it after we go ahead and give this truck a quick wash. Okay, so let's give this truck a nice wash. Alright guys, so we just finished up washing up the Firstgen. It looks 100 times better than what it was. It looked like crap. I mean, it still looks like crap. So, you know, you got your defects, like cracks here, cracks over there, panels not put together. I need to put the body mounts back on this one, some new ones. It doesn't have the ones in the front, you know, a bunch of stuff to fix up on this truck. And yeah, so with that being said, I did kind of want to talk about a few things that I want to go ahead and do with the Firstgen. So the first thing, obviously I wasn't planning on doing any more work on it, just getting it painted and whatnot, but I did have a turbo and just sitting there, and I've been talking about it also on Instagram. So I want to go with a compound. I have a 6271 12 millimeter right now under the hood, and this one that we have right here that I've been trying to, like, on my time that I actually have here and there, is kind of polish it, make it shiny, make it look pretty, basically. So we want to do a compound with an S475 with a 6271 12 millimeter turbo. Also, the big thing that I want to do with this truck is really P-pump it. We got a P-pump sitting also as well, and I think probably in the next month or two, we're gonna go ahead and take it over to Tim's shop, and he's gonna start doing the P-pump conversion. We already have the plate for it. I'm gonna have the ones for the VE pump and put the VE pump for sale, and also the front cover plate from King Machines. We're gonna put that for sale as well, because we're not gonna need that in the fuel line. So if anybody is wanting to purchase it for me, just, I don't know, send me a number, hit me up on Instagram at Jera80, and let's discuss on it. I just really want to get rid of it now at this point, since I want to go with a P-pump. So that's one of the biggest projects we're gonna have, doing the P-pump and doing a compound system underneath the truck. I do right now have an Arctic Air in the truck for the intake horn, but we might be switching over to a maybe Banks. That's what I'm going to do with the 5th gen. Sitting over there, we're going to be doing a Monster Ram, which I have everything right there, and I have the intercooler pipes in there as well, updated for that truck. So that'll be in a different video. But yeah, for this one, that's what we have in mind. We do have indeed the front and rear bumpers. So for the ones that have been asking me on the first gen about the front bumper and rear bumper, we're gonna be putting those on as well when we go take it to get a P pump conversion on it. I still do have that front cover plate, and I do want to change it out. Just haven't gotten time to do it, but I am gonna do it. So I need to do that as well. I still need to cut these things off of here, get rid of them. I need to tidy up all my cables and whatnot. Cut whatever I don't need, redo my wiring and whatnot, especially for the LEDs. Because I know they used to run through here, but we zip tied them here so that way they wouldn't hit the fan or anything like that. I do want to throw on those 2-inch spacers from Far From Stock to stance it out a bit. Like I said, it just looks really weird. It looks really tucked in. I do got some shackles that Far From Stock sells. They're pretty heavy duty, I can admit that. Let me take it out of here real quick. So this is the kit. You get 2 of these, and here's this right here. I'm gonna have Timmy see if we can probably do another hole, or if he can fabricate another one so we can have it at 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches, because up front we have about 8 inches and a half from the tire to the top of that, and then over here we have 5, I think it's 5 inches. No, something like that. I don't remember. The whole thing is that I need to go up 2.5 inches over here on this side, and that shackle gives me about 4 inches. So what we're gonna do is just do probably 2.5 and see if that works, and see if it doesn't, like, I just want the truck to sit level, because right now it looks like it's squatting a little bit in the back. It's not that bad, but still, you know, we don't want to have a squatted truck. That one sits a little squatted also in the back, probably about 1 inch in the back, lower, or 2, something like that. But I don't know. What do you guys think? If we should keep it like that, or should we update it to make it have it basically level? I don't know. Give me your thoughts. So yeah, we also have, I know this is really not performance-wise on this. We already passed the performance-wise what we want to do with it. Oh, I forgot to mention, we're going to be doing 5x18 injectors from power-driven diesel. So yeah, that's another thing. I was thinking about going about doing the AFC or the ACF or something like that. It's from power-driven diesel. But then again, I was like, you know what? Forget about it. I really don't need that. It'd be pretty cool to have it, but from what I've heard, I guess it says really, I mean, it's fun to have it, I guess, but for this truck, we'll just leave it out of there. So yeah, and then we got these pretty cool emblems. I don't know if you guys have seen them. It's on the 5th gen. We're going to be doing them on this one as well, and we're going to place them right below here. See, like, we need to fix this too. Like, we're going to get the body work down. As soon as we get done with the P-pump conversion, then we'll go ahead and do the P-pump. Then we will go ahead and actually have it painted. Let me set down the camera real quick. Now, for you guys don't know, like my exhaust tip, I got it from TSO, and same thing with these emblems. I got it from TSO. Like their product, looks pretty clean. You can get it powder coated whatever color you want. I think you can. You just gotta request it. So here are the emblems. They're the same one we have on the 5th gen, except we're gonna put them on the 1st gen so we can kind of get rid of all those stickers, because I feel like within time those stickers fade out, and I'm kind of like done and over with stickers to this point. We'll still be keeping the Far From Stock ones in the rear for sure. So here's the emblem, see, at Jera 80, and I don't know, I'm thinking about putting them on right now, or who knows, but just like that, something like that, that'll look really sick having this here instead of having the sticker back here that looks like it's sideways, you know. Or maybe we can keep it in the back, but it'll be pretty cool to have these here on the side. It's just makes you stand out. It's a little bit different than the than usual. So yeah, so let's go ahead and throw these spacers on there, and let's see how the truck looks stands out now. Man, it's hot out here. So look, see the major big difference? Man, it looks sexy. This looks a lot more better. It looks like a bulldog. I got the last two in the back to do. What I'm doing, I'm setting them at 130 foot-pounds, and then I go up to 140 foot-pounds on the spacers and on the wheels as well. So I gotta go ahead and do the one in the back. Hopefully I have somewhere to reach because the truck is tall. So let's see what happens. Man, guys, it's hot outside, and it's only freaking February, man. So we officially got 16 wides. We got 16 wides, guys. We got 16 wides. I'm gonna make that like what's it called? I'm gonna make that the thing where you your thumbnail. Clickbait. 16 wides on Firstgen. That's funny. All right. So there you go, guys. What do you guys think? This thing looks absolutely a lot more better. I mean, it's crazy to think of how much of a difference of your wheels being tucked in versus them being, you know, out. Man, I still feel like the front sticks out more than the rear. Please don't mind the cables dangling. We're gonna fix those, like I've said. That's gonna complete the video for today. Like I said, it was just really let's catch up, guys. Let's talk a little bit what we have in mind for the truck, what our goals are, and slap on some wheel spacers on there. We do have, just so you guys know, I'm not gonna leave you guys behind. We do have, let me get out of the sun. We do have we do have the lighting, the wheel lights that we're gonna put new LEDs, 26 rock lights throughout the whole truck. That's what I always do. I do 20 plus lights under the underglow every single time, no matter what. It just got to float right. And not just that, I got me these cool, well, I still have this thing that I've been working with, but I was so damn lucky to find these on LMC truck, and the steps for where the carpet is at, because the ones I had, they were all torn up. And so I can kind of clean up the interior. I still got to work a little bit also in the inside on that bracket that Larry did for me way back, and we gotta fix this thing up. We gotta paint it, do something with it, but it can't look like that. It looks like trash. Now, like, the more I look at it, the more it looks like shit. I just gotta fix it. I gotta probably paint it and do something with it. My seats are kind of getting messed up already, but I've had these seats for quite a while already. Steering wheel looks still good, but this is what I was talking about. We got to fix this thing up here. I'll probably get a new seal for here, because look, it's been torn up because the door keeps on, it like hangs. I always lift it up because I have the tool to lift it up, but it gets messed up. We got to fix this too. A few things we got to fix up. Put my door panels up. I don't know if I should keep this still or just get a black suede, like the one that Greg has on his Firstgen. I don't know. I need to do something because it looks just weird having it like that. Or we'll just keep it like that. It really don't matter. I honestly don't care, because I do want to do a starliner in here. And yeah, and you know, do a little bit of tinkering here and there. We do got the fuel straps for the tank as well. We got a lot coming on. Also, we got train horns. We got the, I think they call them the Nightmares or whatever they are. They're like about 6 of them in there. We're gonna install those, so we have that also coming out. So I'll probably be doing one with the rock lights, one with the wheel lights. Well, probably rock lights and the wheel lights together. Train horns, another one. The fuel straps that I got right there for the tank. The one when we do put our door panels back in there. You know, I'm gonna just try to keep you guys updated, and then obviously when we do the P-pump conversion, I'll be there. Probably not be doing a lot of recording, but I'll be going over it as well. So, thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on for the next video, and peace. Check out the Harley too.